Hi guys, today I'd like to share my review of South Jetty 1000 Trails in Florence, Oregon. Absolutely spectacular. Now, the forest may look a little intimidating at first, but the roads are nice and wide, making for an easy back end. And how do you beat this backyard? Isn't this amazing? This is easily one of the most beautiful sites I've ever stayed in. Most of the activities here are member generated. In fact, I'd very rarely see large groups of people in this park. Just a couple people here and there. But I think this is just one of those parks where people are just enjoying nature. Not to mention all the fun things to do in the Florence area. Florence and South Jetty 1000 Trails just have this totally relaxing vibe to it. Now, one thing you should know about this campground is it seems like a lot of the sewer sites are locked up by the long-term residents. Now, in the past, I've only stayed here 4 or 5 nights at a time because of other plans, but in the future, I do plan on longer stays, and I'm perfectly willing to dump my sewer to do so. Sometimes it's the little things that win me over. I think free coffee in the laundromat makes doing laundry a little more bearable, but you better get here quick. I might drink it all. This really is a nice touch, and it's a good time to mention how friendly and accommodating the staff here really is. I've stayed here on several occasions, and every time has been a good experience with this crew. Now, if you've seen my other Oregon 1000 Trails reviews, you probably know what I'm going to say. They're all fantastic, and this one is no exception. I would definitely stay here again. Yes, there is the inconvenience of having to dump your sewer if you're going to stay a little longer, or you might get lucky and actually get a full hookup site. But what can I say? I'm a sucker for campgrounds that have beautiful surroundings and lots to do in the area, and I love Florence. In fact, I suspect someday, maybe 20 years from now, if I ever settle down, it'll be bouncing up and down the coast of Oregon. I mean, all I would be paying to live in paradise are my monthly dues. Now, if you're not a 1000 Trails member already, you might be interested to know that a lot of people live in this system, okay? It's very, very affordable. You can start without any purchase whatsoever and start with a zone pass and just pay the monthly dues. That gives you 2 weeks in the system and then 1 week out. Or you can go ahead and get a premium membership. Even with the monthly installments, it's very economical to stay in this system. And once you pay off your membership, then you're sitting pretty. You're just paying your monthly dues. If you'd like to find out more about 1000 Trails, or if you're ready to sign up today, go ahead and check out my contact information in my description page, and be sure to mention me, Key Ward, or the Ramblin' River Cat. Okay, so I really hope you enjoyed my review today. If this information has been helpful to you, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.